If your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max volume sounds low during calls, videos, or music, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by settings or accessories, not hardware damage in most cases. Let's go through the solutions step by step. The first helpful solution is a speaker volume limit. You may have accidentally set a volume limit for the built-in speaker under Settings. This feature is designed to restrict the maximum output volume on your iPhone. Open the Settings app and tap Sounds and Haptics. Tap Volume Limit and increase the slider to the maximum level, or turn it off completely. This function will immediately restore full speaker volume if a limit was enabled. Play media like from YouTube and use the side button to increase speaker volume, or increase it from the control center. For the incoming call ringtone problem, refer to my separate tutorial given in the video description. Solution 2 is set volume with media. To make sure media volume is being controlled correctly, open Settings and go to Sounds and Haptics. Under Ringer and Alerts, turn Change with Buttons on if you want the volume buttons to control media volume instead of just the ringtone. Alternatively, play a song or video and press the volume up button while media is playing. This ensures you're adjusting media volume, not just the ringer. This setting don't change system volume. The next solution is to check background sounds, an optional feature for accessibility and focus. Background sounds can sometimes interfere with media playback or make audio seem quieter. Open Settings and go to Accessibility. Tap Audio and Visual and select Background Sounds. If background sounds are enabled, toggle Use when media is playing on or off based on your preference, and adjust the volume slider as needed. Another restriction setting is the solution for some users. Screen time restrictions and loud audio. Screen time may automatically reduce loud audio without you realizing it. Open Settings and tap Screen time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and enable it if it's turned off. Or scroll to the bottom and tap Reduce Loud Sounds and set it to Allow. This prevents iOS from limiting your audio volume automatically. The last solution is to check third-party app audio settings. Apps like Spotify, YouTube, Netflix, or games often have their own audio controls. Open the app and go to Settings using the gear icon. Look for audio, sound, or playback options. Adjust the in-app volume, equalizer, or audio enhancements. Turning off aggressive equalizer settings or loudness normalization can significantly improve volume. My final suggestion is that a third-party low-quality case or cover may be blocking the speakers, which is a common cause of audio issues. Some third-party cases or screen protectors can block the top or bottom speakers, causing low or muffled sound. Remove the phone case or cover and test the audio again. Check if the bottom speaker or top earpiece is partially covered. If volume improves after removing the case, switch to a high-quality, speaker-friendly case. This is a very common cause of low volume on newer iPhone models. That's it. These steps should help restore full volume on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. If the issue continues after trying everything, it may be a hardware problem, and contacting Apple support is recommended. Check your iPhone warranty status from the settings and get free repair and replacement as per Apple's terms and conditions. Please like to support me, subscribe for new video updates, and if you have any questions, then comment below.